I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Corolla door locks. Let's start by identifying the problem. First, observe if the lock is completely unresponsive or just stiff. Try using your key manually to feel for any resistance. Also, listen carefully for any sounds from the actuator when you press the remote. Pinpointing whether it's a single door or all doors will help narrow down the cause significantly. Many door lock issues have simple solutions. Begin by checking the fuse for your door locks, usually found in the vehicle's fuse box. A dead key fob battery is another common culprit, so replace it if needed. Sometimes, the mechanism just needs a little help. Try lubricating the lock with a specialized spray. Also, visually inspect for any small objects or debris that might be blocking the lock's movement. If the simpler fixes don't work, you'll need to look inside the door. Carefully remove the door panel to expose the internal workings. Once inside, you can test the door lock actuator directly to see if it's receiving power and moving correctly. Thoroughly inspect all wiring for any signs of fraying, cuts, or loose connections. Ensuring good electrical continuity to the actuator is crucial for proper operation. Should you find a faulty actuator, replacing it is the next step. Once the new part is installed, carefully reconnect all wiring harnesses. Before fully reattaching the door panel, perform several tests of the lock's operation. Check both the manual locking mechanism and the remote functions to ensure everything works smoothly. This thorough testing confirms your repair is successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.